welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you my personal experience of using the Dot & Key Anti-Pollution and Acne Defense Green Clay Mask. So if you're planning to purchase this product right here, and if you want to know what it did to my skin and what was my 100% genuine and honest experience with this product, watch the video till the end. So guys, I bought this mask in my Nykaa makeup and skincare haul. You can check the video over here. And I have been using this mask. It's been 2 weeks now, and I think I'm ready to give you my final verdict on this, because the what it did to my face and the benefits and the problems, everything was so evident. I could feel everything like very instantly. So I think 2 weeks is a good time to tell whether this will work for you or not. And somebody who is like me, who has really sensitive and acne prone skin, I think I am ready to give you my verdict on what this skincare will do to you. It comes in this beautiful packaging. As you can see, it's a very cute tub like this. Has a very nice color. Also comes with a small spatula, and you can see the tub. It's a very beautiful just look at the tub. It looks so cute. Also, I think it's a dupe for one of the Korean brands. So Dot & Key has basically copied the packaging and everything. Everything is the same. They haven't even tried to change it even a little bit. It's a complete dupe of that Korean brand. But anyways, unless and until this works, I think it's fine. So when I open this, I get a lid here over here which covers the product inside, and when you open this, you get a very creamy greenish face clay mask. So I started using this right immediately, like after purchasing this, and I have been using this quite often. Like every other day I used it, because I have to review things for you guys, so I have to use things like very frequently. So I use this, like it's been 2 weeks now, and I think I'm pretty satisfied with the way this works. Also, I really love the way it makes you feel on the skin. It feels so nice, and whatever this claims, like let me first tell you what it claims. So here it says that this one is a non-comedogenic formula. It detoxifies your skin and it has no nasty chemicals. This has matcha tea green extracts and also has tamanu oil. Now I don't know what is tamanu oil, but I understand what is matcha tea. So ingredient wise, it's pretty fine. Also, the first ingredients, like the ingredients that have more concentration, is aqua, kaolin, glycerin, bentonite, French green clay. So these are the stuff which is like on the top of ingredient list, which is in the majority of the part. So I think it's pretty good. I was looking for a clay mask because I have been using the Innisfree Volcanic Clay Mask. I have a review of this particular tub on my channel. You can check that out, guys. I have been using this like from quite some time now. This is my second tub, and this entire tub will last you like more than 1 year. I still have a little bit of left, but then I wanted to try something new. And these days, like YouTubers, they will just brag on and on about the product. It's so difficult to understand which one works for you, which one does not. And so I was fooled by one of the YouTubers, and I fell in the trap of buying the Laneige water sleeping mask. I have a review of this one on my channel. Please go and check that out, guys. If you are planning to buy this, you must check that video. Please check that video. Do not waste your money on this. Alright, now coming back to the Dot & Key, I felt like this one does exactly what it says. It completely detoxifies the skin. I felt like my skin was nicely squeaky clean once I used this one. I love using this. Also, the feeling of a clay mask, how it should be, it is exactly like that. Look, when you apply, it just feels so nice and soothing.
So guys, here is the clip of when I used this one on camera, and see, you get a lid over here, and when you apply this, you get this beautiful mint green color face pack, and it's very soothing and nourishing, guys. Seriously, very refreshing. I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes and wash it off.
Talking about the price of the product, this comes for $6.95. And when I talk about the Innisfree Volcanic Clay Mask, which is my favorite, which I will buy any day, I think this one is the best. But this one costs more. This is for 1100 rupees, but then it will also last you for like more than a year. But this one right here, this is a little on the pricier side, but if you compare with the other clay masks out there, like the L'Oreal clay mask and the others, I think this one does the job better. I have tried a lot of clay masks, guys. On my channel here you can check all the masks that I use, and my skin is very oily and acne prone. Also now my skin is like, as I'm aging, my skin is really getting weird. Like on the edges it's really dry, on the T-zone it's very oily. So I needed something that does not, make my skin very dry. Also, like over here, like on my jaw and on my forehead, which is the the driest part of my face. This one did not, make it really dry. It was nourishing all over the face. I also applied a little bit on my neck, so it was fine. I am really loving this, and I think I will buy another bottle of this one. So from my side, I would definitely give it a thumbs up, and I would tell you guys, just go ahead and grab this one, guys. It's really worth your money. So guys, that was all for this video. I have so many other product review videos on my channel, and this is a no nonsense channel, guys. You get only what you should know. That was all for this video. I hope you understood, and now you can really decide whether you should go for this product or not. From my side, I will definitely go ahead and purchase another tub of this one. I am really liking it so far. And if you're somebody who is suffering from acne or any age spots or even tanning, it really helped me with tanning. So if you want, you can definitely go ahead and get this, guys. And I'll be back with more such product review videos. Until then, see you next time.